Let's check out how our inflatable arch is installed. For the installation of our inflatable arch, it won't require any special equipment for the arch to be installed. All you need is just an electric or a manual pump, which is included in our package already. When you're going to install this inflatable arch in any outdoor event, you don't have to be worried about not being able to find a power socket to plug in the electric pump, since we do provide an electric generator to ensure you to have the power supplied constantly. So this empowers the inflatable arch to be more portable and easy assembly by saving the hassle for cables and wires.